This Korean mask is perfect for aging skin, dullness, uneven tone, hyperpigmentation, and acne. It's super simple to make with just 3 ingredients, so be sure to save this recipe. First, take 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour is known for its gentle exfoliating properties, which help brighten your skin and remove dead skin cells, revealing a smoother, more radiant complexion. Next, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which exfoliates, tightens pores, and helps even out your skin tone. It's a great natural remedy for achieving that glass skin look. Then, drizzle a small amount of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into your skin, leaving it soft and hydrated. It's also antibacterial, which is excellent for combating acne. Gradually add water to the mixture and stir until you form a smooth paste. Not too thick, not too runny. Apply the mask to clean skin and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel fresh, glowing, and rejuvenated. If you love more natural skincare tips like this, type yes in the comments. Let's glow together.